Are you planning a home cleanup or tackling a construction project? Look no further than Lux Dumpster Rentals, your go-to destination for top-notch dumpster solutions in Starkville, Mississippi. Our services redefine how you handle waste, making the process efficient and downright stylish. Lux Dumpster Rentals ensures your debris disposal is as luxurious as it gets, because why settle for anything less when you can make a statement with your cleanup game? Whether renovating your space or decluttering, our dumpsters are here to elevate the experience and make it a clean, chic affair. Dial 662-364-0228 to experience the epitome of dumpster rental excellence. At Lux Dumpster Rentals, we take pride in delivering more than just dumpsters. We provide convenience with a touch of luxury. Our team is committed to making your cleanup journey seamless and enjoyable. Visit our website at www.luxdumpsters.com to explore our range of services and find the perfect dumpster for your needs. Dumpster Rental Starkville MS has never been this sophisticated. Let Lux Dumpster Rentals be your partner in transforming waste disposal into a classy affair. Lux Dumpster Rentals isn't just about renting dumpsters, it's about curating an experience that leaves you saying, "Wow, that was easy." Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the bins to our customer service. With us, you're not just getting a container but gaining a reliable partner in your cleanup endeavors. So, when handling waste with finesse and flair, trust Lux Dumpster Rentals to take it to the next level. Because at Lux, we believe in making cleanliness a lavish affair,